Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change tap duration on our touchscreen in Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to change our tap duration? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options menu, where it is here, then interaction and dexterity, and here we have our tap duration. By default, as you can see, this option is turned off. To change our duration, we can choose whatever we want practically, and here we can tap twice to test. So we have half a second now, and now we have our half a second duration of our tap function. And now, as you can see, it's working. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.